Gmail. Now, your Gmail is going to be the main way you're able to communicate with your teachers. Those of us that are in class will be using Gmail, and those of you that are home will be using Gmail even more. That's going to be the best way to get hold of us or ask questions if you need anything. So your first step is obviously you've got to be signed into your Google account to access Gmail. So once you're signed in on your device, you should get to Google. That's what this page looks like. So there are two ways to get there. You can either use the waffle and then click on Gmail, or you can just click on this little link right here that says Gmail. So I'm going to use the waffle, and I'm going to click on Gmail right here. Step one, you'll come in there and you will see lots of different stuff. So my email account has lots of email. Yours won't have so much just to get started. So the first step you're going to want to do, you're going to want to look right here in the center. If you have any new email messages from your teachers, they will show up right here, and you'll just click on those to read those. If you need to email your teacher, first step is you come over here and you click Compose. Click on Compose, and it will pop up a new window for you. So your first step is to do that. Then once you're there, next step is to go ahead and put in your teacher's name. Now, you should know your teacher's email address, but since this is in Google and we're all linked together, most of the time you'll be able to type in your teacher's first name and it will find it, and you'll just click on that teacher's name. Now that's me. For Miss Blevins, you'll type in the first part of her name. It says Caitlin Blevins, and there she is. And it'll automatically just put that whole email in there. Now, for Miss Palmer, hers is a little bit different because there are lots of Jennifers in Whitfield County. So you need to find Jennifer Palmer. So you see her, she's not in here. None of those are Miss Palmer. So you need to put in Jennifer dot and then P, and then it will find Miss Palmer because you want Jennifer Palmer, not any of these other Jennifers, and you will click on her name. That's the first step. So once you have your teacher's email address in, your subject, okay, that's going to be kind of a few words about what you're asking about. So let's say you're having trouble getting into Lexia. The subject of your email would be something like trouble getting into Lexia. So that would be your email subject. That just kind of tells your teacher what your email is going to be about in a few words. And then down here, you will be putting in your actual questions. So you would start it out with something like Miss Palmer. And I'm having trouble getting into Lexia. Can you please help? And then sign your name. Sincerely. Okay. Aubrey. So that'll be your email text, and then all you have to do is come down here and click send to get that message out to your teacher. Now your teacher will get that, and when she gets your login information, she'll email you right back just as quickly as she can. So that is pretty much Gmail in a nutshell. If you have any trouble, please make sure you text one of us or put a call into the school, and we will get back to you just as fast as we can. Have a good day.